Hey guys, welcome to Island Vibe Cooking. Today we're making a fried mustard chicken, extra crispy, extra crunchy. If you would like to see it, keep on watching and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. My name is Rose and today I am about to show you guys how to make some good old mustard fried chicken. I had to close my eyes for this because I know it's going to be thebomb.com. If you like to see it, of course, keep on watching. Be sure you're subscribed if you're new here. Hey, welcome, subscribe, and also give the video a thumbs up. I am going to stop talking and jump right into it. Let's begin. All right guys, the chicken is nice and clean. Now all we have to do is season this chicken. I cleaned the chicken with lime and salt really quickly. It's nice and clean. So now we're going to marinate this chicken on here. So to get started, I'm going to add the chicken in. And make sure you squeeze out the water from the chicken because you don't want any extra moisture on the chicken. It's not needed. Now we're going to start by our first seasoning or marinating, which is the mustard. I'm using French's mustard, of course, yellow mustard. I'm using about, I'll say 3, let's see, I don't even know if I have enough. I'm gonna say about 3 tablespoons of mustard, okay? I don't know if you guys can really get in there and see. I don't think I have enough, but it'll do. Adding about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and also I'll let you guys know how many wings that I'm frying, okay, just so you guys can get an idea. So I'll say about half a teaspoon, so a 1/4 teaspoon of the dry parsley. Now I'm adding garlic, all right, about half a teaspoon. Ooh, I'm out of garlic. I'm out of garlic powder, y'all. All right, your girl is out of the garlic powder, so we're going to be adding some minced garlic, about half a teaspoon. We're adding in about a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. This is optional. A teaspoon of pepper. We're adding a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. Notice I did not add any salt whatsoever, all right, because some of the seasoning that I use here, I would say the mustard in the Creole seasoning already has salt included. All right, we're going to cover this, place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. All right guys, editing Rose is here. I have to take over because the background was too noisy. So here in this flour, I am going to season it with ground black pepper, Creole seasoning, and of course all the measurement will be down below. Check it out. I'm not adding any salt to it. We're going to add some cornstarch so we can get some extra crunch. Give that a quick mix just like so. Then we're going to take about 3 tablespoons of that flour, set it aside in a different bowl. All right, this is the little flour we took away. I am going to add about 1 egg in there. Then we're going to add some club soda. Try that out and let me know how you like it. It will make your crispy chicken extra crunchy. All right, so we're going to add a few tablespoons in there, mix that up. All right. Give it a quick mix just like so. Then we're going to set that aside. Also, I will be using a little bit of plain flour, but keep that in mind. Here is my chicken coming out the fridge, nice and well marinated. This is the plain flour that I told you guys about earlier. So what we're going to do is roll the chicken on there just like so. Give it a quick shake to remove any excess flour. Then we're going to add it to the egg mixture just like so. Make sure you shake it off as well to remove any of the excess egg mixture. Then roll it onto the seasoned flour, of course. Now if you want extra crunch, extra breading on to your chicken, you can put it back into the egg mixture and put it back to the seasoned flour, but today we're not doing that. Just one coat is enough. I am going to repeat it quickly for you guys just so you guys can get an idea. So basically place it in the plain flour, add it to the egg mixture, then we're going to add it to the seasoned flour just like so. Once we're done, we're going to fry it. All right, listen up guys. I am frying mine on 375. You can try it on 350, but mine was on 375 for exactly 10 minutes, okay? And make sure your oil is nice and clean and hot, all right? And once they're done, they should look something like this, super nice. And the breading on those chicken wings, honey, this is how you make some fried chicken wings, okay? This is what they looks like. Of course, you gotta have the hot sauce on the side to eat these crispy, extra crunchy chicken wings, fried mustard chicken wings. That is the recipe, quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoy it. If it was helpful, please help your sister out. Give the video a thumbs up for me. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe because I do make similar recipe like this one. I'm sure you guys will enjoy. I have a Hennessy fried chicken that I made last week, I think. I will leave it on the screen for you. Click on it to watch it next, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Can y'all see how juicy this chicken is? Oh my gosh. Subscribe.